Okay. So let's look at high pass filter now. Okay, high pass filter, we have seen low pass filter. In the same manner we will have high pass filter. A high pass filter will allow all the frequency component of the signal beyond its lower cutoff frequency. Okay, so there will be a cutoff frequency, and above which the signal will be passed, the signal components will be passed, and below which the signal components will not pass. Okay, so this is the typical gain versus frequency characteristics. So this is the frequency above which it is acting as passband, means all the signal components will be passing through this above this frequency, and this is the stop band below which below this frequency there will be it will not pass any frequency components of the signal. Okay, this is the sharp transition one, means higher order characteristic, this one. Okay, and the other one, that is this one, is the lower order characteristics. Okay, as you increase the order of the filter, the more it will the more sharp transition it will give. Okay, and it will provide a gain of A to the signal which is passing through, and which will not pass, it will provide zero gain. Okay, ideally it should provide this, and this is the 3 dB frequency. Okay, 3 dB means your gain will be A by root 2 at this frequency. Okay, cutoff frequency. So this is the typical characteristics we want. Now this can be achieved by first order high pass filter that you can see here. It is exactly similar to low pass filter, just we replace the position of C and R. So rest the circuit looks same. Okay, RI, RF and current I1, I2, I, IF all are same, and applying virtual ground here and writing the equation, you will get so if you write the KCL equation here at B, you will get I1S is equal to I2S, which is V1S minus VBS divided by 1 by SC, and that is the current through the capacitor is equal to current through the resistor R, VB divided by R. You will solve it, you will get VB is equal to VI SCR divided by 1. Okay, so this is when you will apply KCL at B. When you will apply KCL at A, what you will have, IS will be equal to IF, 0 minus VA divided by RI is equal to VA minus V0 divided by RF. If you will solve this, you will get V0 is equal to VA 1 plus RF divided by RI. If you will write it as A0, this whole term, this will be the DC gain of the op-amp. Okay, in this fashion, then you can have V0 equal to A0 into VAS. Now apply the value VAS, what you got from KCL at B. You will get VIS into SCR divided by 1 plus SCR. So V0 by VI, which is the transfer function, you will have this HS is equal to A0 SCR divided by 1 plus SCR. Okay, and you can even write in this fashion by taking common RC. RC will get cancelled. You will have A0 S upon 1 by RC. Okay, where 1 by RC will be the lower cutoff frequency of high pass filter, which is represented by omega. Okay, omega L, sorry. So this is the same, is not visible here. HS is upon S plus omega L. Maybe in the next slide it will be there. Yeah, so HS is A0 S upon S plus omega L. This is the transfer function of first order high pass filter RC. So above 1 by RC the signal will be passed, below 1 by RC the signal will not pass. Okay, you can even provide better transition as I said, by increasing the order of the filter. So here you can see exactly similar to second order low pass filter, we have one CR and another CR. Okay, there we had RC and RC double, so we have two energy storing element, two capacitors, that's why it is second order. Okay, rest everything is same. If you apply the same analysis what we have done before at X, B and A, you combine them, those equation, and you will get Hs is equal to A naught S square divided by S square plus 3 minus A naught S omega L plus omega L square. Okay, so since the calculation will be complicated, so that the transfer function is written, and all the filters are of Butterworth type. If 3 minus A naught will be equal to under root 2, this we have already seen the values for different kind of filters. So for Butterworth type, 3 minus A naught should be equal to, okay, so what it will become 3, if you will plug the value of 3 minus A naught under root, it will become Hs is equal to A naught S square divided by S square plus 1.414 S omega L plus omega L square. Okay, so this was about high pass filter. Obviously you can go more and more higher order, third order, fourth order by cascading the second order and first order, or second order with second order, then you will have fourth order, third order, which will provide better transition. Obviously it will increase the complexity, means you will need you will take time to calculate V naught by Vi there. So it depends on the what is the need. Okay, so now let's look at the next filter.